Hi everyone, welcome to our another video lesson. In this session, we are going to solve some important problems under exponential distribution. First, let us see one problem. The first problem is, suppose the duration X in minutes of long distance calls from your home follows exponential law with the probability density function f of x equal to 1 divided by 5 into exponential of minus x divided by 5, where x greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. Here we are asked to find out p of x greater than 5 and probability of x lies between 3 and 6 and the mean and variance of X. For first point, lambda equal to 1 divided by 5 here. How to know lambda equal to 1 divided by 5 here? Just see, in the given probability density function, 1 divided by 5 into e to the power minus x divided by 5. So here in place of lambda we have minus 1 divided by 5. So from the given PDF only we can know the value of lambda, that is 1 divided by 5. The first question, probability of x greater than 5. Here the lower limit of x has been restricted at 5. So lower limit is 5 and upper limit is general upper limit. So integral 5 to infinity, you have to substitute f of x value here 1 divided by 5 into e to the power minus x divided by 5 into dx, and take 1 by 5 outside and integrating e to the power minus x by 5, that is e to the power minus x by 5 integration of e exponential function, and perfectly differentiating this minus x divided by 5 and putting in denominator, that is minus 1 by 5, and substituting the limiting case lower limit and upper limit, we can get minus of e power minus infinity minus e power minus 1, that results to e to the power minus 1. And how to solve second question? Second question, we are asked to find probability of x lies between 3 and 6. So here lower limit is 3 and upper limit is 6. Simply substitute this limiting case as usual PDF formula, then integral 3 to 6 1 divided by 5 into this 1 divided by 5 into exponential of e to the power minus x by 5 into dx, and take 1 by 5 as usual outside and integrating this exponential function and substituting the limiting case 3 to 6, then we can get e to the power minus 3 by 5 minus e to the power minus 6 by 5 is the answer for this case. And next, what is mean value? As we already know that mean of exponential distribution is 1 divided by lambda. We know lambda equal to 1 by 5. So 1 divided by 1 by 5 equal to 5. So mean value for this problem is 5. And next, variance value. Formula for exponential distribution to find the variance is 1 divided by lambda square. So simply substitute lambda square value. Substitute lambda value here. That is lambda square 1 divided by 25. So reciprocal of 1 divided by 25 is nothing but 25. So variance equal to 25. If you are asked the standard deviation, that standard deviation root of variance, that is equal to 5. See, this problem I let you to practice. Let capital X be a random variable with the PDF 1 by 3 into expectation of e to the exponential of e to the power minus exponential of minus x to the x by 3 and x greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. We are asked to find out p of x greater than 3 and the mgf of x. P of capital X greater than 3 is as usual. For this problem we can find the solution by substituting the value of lambda and substituting the limiting case, that results to e power minus 1. This e power minus 1. And for mgf, mx of t equal to, by formula, the mgf of exponential distribution is lambda divided by lambda minus t. From the PDF itself we can find out what is the value of lambda. Lambda equal to minus 1 by 3. So simply substitute lambda equal to positive 1 by 3. Lambda equal to positive 1 by 3. Then simply substitute lambda value here. Then 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3 minus t. Then 1 divided by 1 minus 3t is the moment generating function of exponential distribution. And next, another problem. If the number of kilometers that a car can run before its battery wears out is exponentially distributed with an average value of 10,000 kilometers, and if the owner decides to take a 5,000 kilometer trip, what is the probability that he will able to complete his trip his trip without having to replace the car battery. Assume that the car has been used for the same time. So here x be the random variable denoting the number of kilometers that a car can run before its battery wears out. So x follows here exponential distribution, and its mean value we are given that value 10,000 kilometers. Average value is 10,000 kilometers. But then mean value equal to 10,000 kilometers. Then what is mean value? Mean formula for exponential distribution, mean equal to 1 divided by lambda. Simply substitute lambda value here, then we can find out lambda value from the mean value. So here lambda equal to 10,000. Therefore the required PDF is simply substitute the lambda value in the PDF, then we can get this factor. Okay, 1 divided by 10,000 into exponential of e to the power minus x divided by 10,000, where x greater than or equal to 0. Now probability of x greater than 5,000. This is the matter we are asked to find out. What is the question? If the owner decides to take minimum 10,000 kilometers, so we have to set this 5,000 is to be minimum value, because he has to complete the trip without wears out the battery. Therefore the factor we have to find out probability of x greater than 5,000. So that minimum, lower limit is here 5,000. We know that by using formula we have seen in previous video lesson, when deriving the memoryless property, we have got this factor. This factor is very important. Probability of x greater than k equal to e to the power minus lambda into k. E to the power minus lambda into k. So this is applicable for exponential distribution. Here lambda value equal to 1 divided by 10,000, and this k value is nothing but lower limit. This is nothing but k value. Just to compare these two terms, k value equal to 5,000. Simply substitute k value here and find out the answer. E to the power minus 1 by 2 is the required solution for this problem. And next problem 2. The mileage which car owners get with certain kind of radial tire is a random variable having an exponential distribution. Exponential, this is not destruction, this is exponential distribution. This is exponential distribution with the mean 4,000 km. Find the probabilities that one of these tires will last at least 2,000 and at most 3,000 kilometers. Here also let us assume that x follows exponential distribution, and which denotes the mileage obtained with the tire. Here lambda equal to 1 divided by 4,000, because mean value we are given 4,000. So mean value for exponential distribution is 1 divided by lambda. But therefore lambda equal to 1 divided by 4,000. 1 divided by lambda equal to 4,000. Therefore lambda equal to 1 divided by 4,000. But simply substitute lambda value here in the PDF formula, then we can get 1 divided by 4,000 into exponential of minus x divided by 4,000. And as usual, using this property, probability of x greater than 2,000 is nothing but simply substitute this 2,000 in this place. So e power minus 1 divided by 4,000 lambda value into this k value. But therefore e power minus 2 minus 1 by 2 is the answer for first question. And similarly, probability of x less than or equal to 3,000. Here see, upper limit has been restricted. Okay, and less than or equal to 3,000. Using complementary law of probability, this can be written as 1 minus probability of x greater than 3,000. For probability of x greater than 3,000 can be written by using this formula. E to the power minus 1 divided by 4,000 into here k value equal to 3,000. Simply substitute 3,000 and evaluate this exponential function. This value is nothing but exponential of minus 0.75. So 1 minus this exponential of minus 0.75, that yields 0.5276. This is answer for second question. And next, the exponential in the exponential distribution, we are going to see another problem. If x is exponential distributed with parameter lambda, find the value of k such that p of x greater than k divided by p of x less than or equal to k equal to small a. Here we have to find out the value of a, the value of this a. Okay, now I am going to cross multiply this denominator with this a, and before cross multiplying this, I rewrite this term using complementary law of probability. Therefore probability of x less than or equal to k can be written by 1 minus probability of x greater than k, and cross multiplying this factor, then probability of x greater than k equal to a into 1 minus probability of x greater than k. And next taking this this entire term left hand side and rewriting the term, then we can get, I mean rewriting means if we take commonly probability of x greater than k outside, then we can get probability of x greater than k into 1 plus a equal to a. Now this 1 plus a can be taken to right hand side, then probability of x greater than k equal to a divided by 1 plus a. Okay, since x is exponentially distributed with parameter lambda as usual property, we know that as usual probability of x greater than k equal to e power minus lambda k. But therefore substitute simply this e power minus lambda k in this place. Therefore e power minus lambda k equal to a divided by 1 plus a. And what is e power positive lambda k? That is 1 plus a divided by a. Then what is lambda k? Taking exponential function, taking logarithmic function on both sides. I mean eliminating exponential to eliminate exponential function here, taking logarithmic function on both sides, then lambda k equal to log of 1 plus a divided by a. Then what is k value? You take lambda value to right hand side, then 1 divided by lambda into log of 1 plus a divided by a is the value of k. Okay.